dears, today's topic is nutrition in amoeba. It is again the part of the chapter 6, life processes, nutrition in animals. And first of all, we will be studying about a very simple organism called amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism, means it has a single cell in its body only. It has only a single cell in its body, and all the processes of nutrition are performed by this single cell. And what is the diet of amoeba? Its diet includes bacteria, microscopic plants like diatoms, algae and protozoa. And the process of obtaining food by amoeba is known as phagocytosis. It is known as phagocytosis. And amoeba shows holozoic mode of nutrition. Holozoic mode of nutrition. That day we have studied about the holozoic mode of nutrition. If you have forgotten, please watch the previous videos. Okay, now if you remember, we have studied that there are various steps involved in the holozoic mode of nutrition. In the same way, the various steps involved in the nutrition of amoeba are: number 1, ingestion; number 2, digestion; number 3, absorption; number 4, assimilation; and number 5, egestion. And please mark my words, all the processes of nutrition are performed by the single cell of amoeba. Amoeba takes its food using temporary finger-like extensions which fuse over the food particles, forming food vacuole. These are the finger-like projection you can see. Okay, finger-like extensions you can see here. So these finger-like extensions of the cell surface are called pseudopodia. ये जो finger-like extensions आपको या projections आपको नज़र आ रही हैं, इनको हम pseudopodia बोलते हैं. Pseudo means false, pod means foot, so it is false foot. And this pseudopodia secretes a sticky and toxic fluid and kills the prey. Okay, and there is a food vacuole in its body. This is food vacuole pointed here. The food vacuole contains digestive enzymes. Enzymes are the chemical substances which act on the food material. If they are digestive enzymes, then they act on the food materials and break down into simpler substances. Okay, so these digestive enzymes break down the food into the nutrients and the undigested waste. Okay, now let's study nutrition in amoeba step by step. Okay, the first step, amoeba senses food. amoeba को पता लग जाता है उसके आसपास food है. Okay, then what happens? Amoeba senses food. Then see, the pseudopodia surrounds the food. Pseudopodia food को घेर लेती है, ठीक है? And food is ingested by using pseudopodia. So इतना तो आपको गेस लग गया होगा कि amoeba has no mouth. Amoeba has no mouth or fixed place for the ingestion of food. What is ingestion of food? Ingestion means taking in of food. आप अपना food अपने हाथ से अपने मुंह में डालते हैं. You have a fixed place through which you can take in your food. And amoeba uses pseudopodia to surround the food. Okay, so it has no fixed place or mouth for the ingestion of the food. Amoeba ingests food by using its pseudopodia. When the food particles comes near the amoeba, then the amoeba ingests the food particle by forming temporarily finger-like projections called pseudopodia around it. The food is engulfed with a little surrounding water to form a food vacuole. और ये देखिए यहाँ पर फूड वैक्यूल बन गया, उसके साथ थोड़ा सा पानी भी आ जाता है और ये फूड प्लस वाटर क्या बन गया, फूड वैक्यूल. The food vacuole can be considered, we can consider this food vacuole as a temporary stomach of amoeba. कोई उसके पास स्टमक नहीं होता, लेकिन उस समय के लिए आप जैसे ही सीडोपोडिया फूड को घेर लेता है, थोड़ा सा वाटर भी उसके साथ आ जाता है और वहाँ पर एक फूड वैक्यूल बन जाता है. ठीक है, दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज इंजेशन, टेकिंग इन ऑफ द फूड, टेकिंग इन ऑफ द फूड. फिर से देखो, सॉरी. सो यहाँ पर उन्होंने ये देखिए सूडो यहाँ पर सेंस किया था फूड, यहाँ पे सीडोपोडिया फूड को घेर रहा है और एक फूड वैक्यूल यहाँ बन गया. जैसे ही फूड वैक्यूल बन जाता है, नेक्स्ट स्टेप शुरू हो जाता है एंड द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज कॉल्ड डाइजेशन. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डाइजेशन? Digestion is actually the process in which food containing large insoluble molecules is broken down into small water soluble molecules, and this process is known as digestion. Okay, and this is done by the digestive enzymes. So in amoeba also the food is digested in the food vacuole. This is the food vacuole by digestive enzymes. The enzymes from surrounding cytoplasm enter into the, ये cytoplasm अब आपको मालूम है क्या होता है, ये cytoplasm से जो enzymes हैं वो food vacuoles में enter कर जाती हैं and break down the food into small and soluble molecules by the chemicals reactions. Thus, digestion in amoeba takes place inside the food vacuole, due to which the food dissolves or it becomes soluble. Next वाले में देखते हैं. Enzymes from the cytoplasm are secreted into the vacuole and food is digested and soluble materials are digested. यहाँ तक आपका क्या है, digestion. Now what is the next process? Let's see. Next process, digestion के बाद ये आता है absorption. Digestion के बाद क्या आता है, absorption. What do you mean by absorption? Absorption क्या होता है? पहले तो absorption का meaning समझो. The process in which the digested food passes through the intestinal wall into the bloodstream is called absorption. मतलब जो digested food है वो आपकी intestine में, ये मैं human being की बात कर रही हूँ, intestinal wall के blood vessels जो हैं, blood जो है उसे वो absorb, intestinal walls जो हैं उसे absorb कर लेती हैं और blood में भेज देती हैं, उसे हम absorption बोलते हैं. यहाँ पर अमीबा के केस में देखिए, एब्जॉर्प्शन में क्या होता है, द डाइजेस्टेड फूड मटेरियल, ये देखिए, द डाइजेस्टेड फूड मटेरियल और द फूड प्रेजेंट इन द फूड वैक्यूल ऑफ अमीबा इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड डायरेक्टली इनटू द साइटोप्लाज्म. मैं वापस पीछे चलती हूँ. ये जो डाइजेशन हो गया, डाइजेशन के बाद वो साइटोप्लाज्म में एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ diffusion. Since amoeba consists of only one cell, it does not require any blood system to carry the digested food. Okay, the digested food just spreads out from the food vacuole from the food vacuole into the whole of the amoeba cell. After absorption, the food vacuole disappear. ये देखिए food vacuole खो चुका है. एब्जॉर्प्शन में ये फूड वैक्यूल अब धीरे धीरे डाइजेशन हो रहा है. अब धीरे धीरे यहाँ पर फूड वैक्यूल ख़त्म हो जाएगा. अब वो इसमें देखते हैं आपके इस वाले में ये एब्जॉर्प्शन हो गया. अब एब्जॉर्प्शन के बाद नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस है एसिमिलेशन. नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस इज एसिमिलेशन. एसिमिलेशन मतलब जो फूड एब्जॉर्ब हुआ है अब वो यूज़ होगा किस काम के लिए? आपकी ग्रोथ के लिए. कोई भी इंडिविजुअल की ग्रोथ के लिए उसको जहाँ भी ज़रूरत है, उसके जिस भी बॉडी पार्ट में ज़रूरत है वहाँ की ग्रोथ के लिए, रिपेयर मेंटेनेंस के लिए वो ज़रूरत होगा, उसका यूज़ होगा. ओके. तो अमीबा में क्या होता है? द पार्ट ऑफ द फूड एब्जॉर्ब्ड इन अमीबा सेल इज़ यूज्ड टू ऑब्टेन एनर्जी ड्यूरिंग रेस्पिरेशन. मैंने बोला ना वो किसी भी काम में यूज़ हो सकता है. सो इट इज़ यूज्ड टू ऑब्टेन एनर्जी थ्रू respiration. And a part of the absorbed food is used to make the parts of the amoeba cell which leads to the growth of the amoeba. So कुछ पार्ट उसका अमीबा की ग्रोथ में यूज होगा. So thus on assimilating food amoeba grows in size. अब जब फूड एसिमिलेट हो जाता है तो अमीबा का साइज जो है वो बड़ा हो जाता है, मोटा ताज़ा हो जाता है, हम कह सकते हैं. And the last process is egestion. Egestion is opposite to the ingestion. Ingestion means taking in of food. Egestion means throwing out the waste food. Okay. So sorry. Egestion में ये देखिए फूड जो वेस्ट फूड है वो बाहर आ रहा है. Again, I would like to say that amoeba has no fixed place for removing the undigested food or undigested part of the food. When a considerable amount of undigested food collects inside the amoeba, then its cell wall, ये देखिए यहाँ पर cell wall जो है, cell wall suddenly ruptures at any place and the undigested food is thrown out of the body of the amoeba. So these are the 5 steps of holozoic nutrition in amoeba. First step is ingestion, second step is digestion, third step is absorption, fourth step is assimilation, and the fifth step is egestion. And they are also described in this picture. So thank you, and in the next session we will be studying about the nutrition in human being. So stay tuned and take care of yourself. Thank you.